Okay. So I will request Unnasha ma'am, please introduce yourself briefly, because I didn't hear what she said.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Monisha Rahman Prapti. I'm a student of Daffodil International University, Department of English. I'm completing my BA honors in English, and here I come to represent my country as a student, and my partner is Nilufar ma'am. And sir, I have a request. During this time, I am facing electricity problem, and my battery going down. So, if you please consider me, can I please start first?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So we have already completed our two sessions. Now this is the third session, and we have also scheduled the fourth session tomorrow. Today in the evening at 4 o'clock Indian time and 4:30 Bangladesh time. So today we have two sessions. So now we are going to start the third session, and the topic prescribed for this third session is SDG number 1, poverty. So in this session, there are two parts. First, everybody will tell about my favorite time, and the second session consists of about no poverty. So let us begin the first topic, that is about my favorite time. So,
okay, sir. Okay.
Who will begin this session about my favorite time? Niloofar ma'am?
Can I,
Sir,
sir?
yeah, excuse me, sir. Excuse me. I want to say something. Actual, I told you yesterday my day was tight schedule, so I can't any PPT text. But my countrymate, Unasha Rahman Prapti, she made PPT. So she.
Okay. Unmasha Prapti, will you share your
Yes, sir.
PPTs
Yes, sir.
about your favorite time?
Yes, sir. Give
Okay,
me one second,
I
please.
will make you host. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
May I you got it?
Now you are host. You can share your PPTs.
Okay, sir. Give me one second, please.
Yes, yes.
Can you see it?
Yes,
No,
yes, yes, madam.
Okay.
No, there is nothing on the screen. Can you see Niloofar ma'am?
One second, please.
No. Okay, okay. Screen share. Share screen.
Now, can you
Yes.
see, please?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to start. Hello everyone, I am Monisha Rahman Prapti. I am from Bangladesh, and here I come to my country. First of all, thank you everyone for watching me. Today I am going to talk about topics like movie, game, place, book, hobby, etc. So there are a lot of outstanding movies, and there are a lot of outstanding movies in our country, which the name of those movies are Monpura, Television, Agyatanama, etc. But my favorite movie is Amar Bondhu Rashid. So Amar Bondhu Rashid, it's my favorite movie, and which is a Bangladeshi film directed by Murshidul Islam. Murshidul Islam is known as Kolkata, and the story is about Jafar Iqbal and Dr. for children's literature. And the story is set during the Bangladesh Liberation War. The movie was released on 1 April 2011. It is a fictional story based on the Liberation War of Bangladesh. Here, Rashid is the main character, and he is a freedom fighter, and he is killed at the last moment in this film.
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Your screen is off. Your screen off হয়ে গেছে। Share screen টা করো। She maybe got some problem. Please wait.
Okay.
Sir, actually, sir, I cannot share my screen. That's why I had to view my gallery
Yes.
and something present my photos. Actually, that's why it's quite problem. Getting
Okay.
quite problem. Okay. Then my favorite hobby is gardening. So gardening is the most enjoying thing, and it provides oxygen for good health, refreshing mind, help to improvement environment. And when I do it, I just love it to do it. I enjoy very much when I see a new plant in my garden. There is a little garden in front of my house. When I feel tired and stressed, then I look at my plants, and it gives me relaxation. And my another favorite hobby is singing song, etc., and listening song, etc. Then I love to read book, actually. So my favorite book is Matal Hawa, which is written by Humayun Ahmed. Humayun Ahmed is a Bangladeshi writer. He is known as a famous writer in Bangladesh. I think he is known also in India. My favorite book is Matal Hawa, which is written by Humayun Ahmed. So he is one of my favorite writers. It's a novel. It was published on February 2010. Total page of this book 232. Actually, I enjoyed it, but the ending was very sad. Actually, I fell in love with Nadia, who is a character of this book. At last, one of the book, Nadia, was killed. Actually, there is a suspense in this book, and I love it. And And my now I'm going to talk about my favorite place. So my favorite place is Cox's Bazar. So Cox's Bazar is one of the largest sea beaches in the world. As I'm a sea lover, that's why I love to visit this place. And whenever I go there, it feels like I visit it for first time. And the sound of the wave gives me strength, and I feel like it is telling me its untold story. Sometimes I compared myself with it, and I found that we all are like ocean. That's why it's my favorite place, and this is the place which I want to show my partner. One of the reason is it's my favorite place, and another reason is it is famous for its long nature sandy beach. It has the world's largest unbroken sea beach, which is stretches more than 120 kilometers. Cox's Bazar is a city, fishing sport, and tourism center. It is one of the largest natural sand beach and in the world. Its length around 75 miles. It is the first largest beach in the world. So that's why I want to show it's my partner. Thank you so much. That's it, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Will you please make me the
Thank
host?
you, ma'am.
Make me host.
Hello, I can't hear properly.
Yes.
Sir, she maybe not know how,
Prapti ma'am.
how to make
Prapti
it.
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
make me host.
Actually, I can't do it.
Go to participants option, participant.
Okay, then.
Then there is my name Ganesh Bachcha. Okay.
পার্টিসিপেন্টে গিয়ে গণেশ বাচ্চার নাম আসলে সেখানে ক্লিক করলে ওখানে চলে আসবে মেকে হোস্ট, সেখানে ক্লিক করলে স্যার হোস্ট হয়ে যাবে। উন্নাসা, এই যে আমাদের এখানে যে পার্টিসিপেন্ট চ্যাট স্ক্রিন শেয়ার এগুলো আছে না, সেখানে পার্টিসিপেন্টে গিয়ে পার্টিসিপেন্টে ক্লিক করেছো? হ্যালো উন্নাসা, অন্বেষা?
Sorry, I'm lost connection. Sorry.
আচ্ছা, পার্টিসিপেন্টে ক্লিক করে তারপরে ওখানে গণেশ বস্ত্র স্যারের নাম আসলে সেখানে ক্লিক করলে ওখানে আসবে মেক হোস্ট।
Prapti ma'am, remove from the meeting and join, rejoin. I will rejoin you. Then automatically I will make the host.
Actually, it's my first time at Zoom meeting, so I can't
Okay, it's okay.
understand what to do. How
আচ্ছা,
to
আমি
stop my
বলছি
sharing?
স্যার, এক্সকিউজ মি, না
Are you
ওখানে
handling?
লেখা আছে স্টপ শেয়ার, উপরে গিয়ে দেখো স্টপ শেয়ার লেখা আছে উপরে। আচ্ছা, এখন পার্টিসিপেন্টে ক্লিক করো। পার্টিসিপেন্টে যে আমাদের এখানে আছে না চ্যাট, পার্টিসিপেন্ট স্ক্রিন শেয়ার এগুলো আছে না, রেকর্ড এগুলো আছে না, পার্টিসিপেন্টে গিয়ে ক্লিক করো। করেছো? ওখানে স্যার গণেশ বৎসব স্যারের, হ্যাঁ গণেশ বৎসব স্যারের নামটা আছে না, নাম আসছে না?
জি জি।
হ্যাঁ, স্যারের নামে ক্লিক করে দাও, তারপরে দেখবা মেকে হোস্ট লেখা আছে, সেখানে ক্লিক করলে চলে আসবে। ঠিক আছে?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Sir,
sorry,
don't
sir.
mind, sir. She is the first time. Yeah, no problem.
Okay.
No problem.
We
We
now
know.
it is also
We know in this way. We learn in this way.
It's good opportunity to everybody to be a techno savvy person.
Yes,
We are also learning some more
yes,
from one another.
new thing. Yeah, yes.
Actually, I'm Google Meet. That's why I don't.
Okay.
use-
Okay.
Okay, okay,
Sorry,
No,
sir.
no problem. No problem.
okay.
Wow, sir, your PPT is so nice, sir. It's glazy. Today you also glazy and your PPT also glazy.
Thank you, ma'am.
But today me is off all things. Okay.
Yeah, because of
I think
the busy schedule, you can't do some PPTs.
Sarji, it is real collaboration
Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
So
between both
welcome,
countries,
Okay.
Bangladesh and India. Both
India.
are friends. Just we are
Yes.
friends or brothers and sisters. Now,
Yes.
briefly, I will explain myself according to the points given about my favorite time. So, as far as my favorite games are concerned, these three games: chess, table tennis, and carom. So these three games are my favorite one. But nowadays, because of lack of time, I can't play these games. But with my children, I play chess at home. Sometimes I also play carom, but I can't play table tennis because of lack of time. My favorite movies. Next, in India, Nilufar ma'am, what movies?
Yes, yes.
In India, we watch regional movies in various states. Then we also watch Hindi movies, that is our national language. And we also watch Hollywood English movies. So there is so many variety
Yes.
in India. What about
Yeah.
Bangladesh? Do you watch only Bangla movies or other languages also there?
We are also other languages. Your Hindi film are so available in our country, and our people all time like this. And Marathi movie also. Okay.
Marathi movie also.
Marathi movie also. Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is my famous.
The Three Idiots. Three Idiots is also my favorite movie.
Yeah,
also.
yeah. It is
Okay.
related to our
We saw.
educational
Yeah.
system.
Yes. Me saw it 7 or 8 times this movie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I enjoyed this.
Yeah. So मी शिवाजी राजदेव भोसले बोलतोय. This is Marathi movie. Have you watched this Super 30, ma'am? Super 30. It is also
watched
related with the
Super 30,
educational
sir.
system.
I watched Super 30 and the hero is Hrithik Roshan, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. So in Super 30,
It's an excellent movie, actually.
yeah, excellent. And in this movie, how it is also related to our topic also. All the students who are very poor and needy, and Hrithik Roshan, who is the hero of this movie, and he plays the role of a teacher. Teacher, actually a coaching class teacher, and
Yes.
he gave them opportunity to learn. And what happens? The whole 30 students of his class becomes class 1 officers. And this is a real one in India. This story happens really in Bihar. So next, Three Idiots, I think everybody know this movie. It is related to our educational system. And this is also a very fine movie, 16 December. So it is related with the field of technology and so many things. Next one. Favorite place to travel. So most of the persons from India and all over the world, they like to
All
visit
of the Kashmir is the
yeah, the heaven of
Kashmir.
earth, we can say.
Yes.
So
Heaven,
everybody
yes.
visit Jammu and Kashmir. So some photographs I have taken from Google, and at the end I
Sir, do
would
you
also
visit?
like to,
Do you visit there?
yeah,
Sir, do
one
you
time
visit?
only. One time only. I also want to
Oh,
visit
you're a
again and
lucky
again.
person. But
Yeah.
Selim sir, do you visit and Ganesh Matra?
No,
Sir,
no, no,
do you
ma'am.
visit
No,
this
ma'am.
place, Kashmir?
No, ma'am.
No, I haven't
Oh,
visited,
but
but it's my dream.
I want to, yes, it's my also dream is visit Kashmir. Batu sir, do you help us how to visit?
Yeah, ma'am.
No audio.
Do you help us? Do you help
Yeah,
us
yeah.
to
You are always
Yeah.
welcome.
visit?
Whenever you want to visit Kashmir, we will
Yes.
help you. Next
Ma'am, I
one,
also suggest that.
Okay,
Hello,
thank
ma'am.
you, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
Hmm.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
I also
sir.
suggest that
Yes.
there is a
Yes.
word famous Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves is a word famous in our district. So you should come to in our district, in Jalgaon district, and visit Ajanta Caves. Welcome, and we also help to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
next my favorite books. So actually, I didn't get much time to read, but these are some of my favorite books. Wings of Fire. It is a autobiography
Or
of
your
Dr.
president.
APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of India,
Yes.
and he is also called Missile Man of India. So really, his personality is also, we can say, very inspiring one. And I suggest to my every students to read this book. I have bought so many copies of this book in Marathi, Hindi, and English version. And I suggest everybody to read this book. Next one, Shamchi Ai. It is a Marathi book. And whenever mother wants her children how to develop themselves, so this book is also very helpful to each and every mother of the world. And naturally, as an English teacher, I love to read the books of William Shakespeare and Hamlet. It is
Hamlet.
also one of my favorite book. As far as favorite dance are concerned, so there are classical Indian dance. And as far as our state, Maharashtra is concerned, this first photograph, Lavani. Lavani is our folk dance of Maharashtra. So everybody who lives in Maharashtra like this dance, Lavani, very fine type of dance. Then Kathakali, Kuchipudi, and there are so many classical dances. So most of all, I like these three types of dances: Lavani, Kathakali, and Kuchipudi. Now place want to show today. This is my native place. We can say Jalgaon in Maharashtra. This is the photograph of our railway station. This is the overview of our city, Jalgaon. It is a very fine place, Gandhi Tirth, near my home. And everybody who comes to Jalgaon visit this place. And all the monuments and photographs and everything related to Mahatma Gandhi are here in Gandhi Tirth. And as Marathe sir already told, Ajanta Caves. So this is Ajanta Caves, just a few kilometers, 30 to 35 kilometers away from Jalgaon. So definitely, whenever you come to India, must visit this place, because everybody who come from other country to visit India visit this place, Ajanta Caves, Ajanta Leni, Ajanta Caves. So these are some.
It is, Bachao sir, it is one of wonder of seven wonders.
Yeah. So these are some photographs from Ajanta Caves. Okay, so these are my favorite time. Chaudhary sir, do you want to share your PPTs? Chaudhary sir,
Yeah.
have you prepared your PPTs?
Yeah, I have prepared, sir.
Okay. Now I will make you host.
Yeah. Share screen. Make me host. Yeah.
Yeah, you are host now. Okay.
Yeah. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today I am feeling very happy to see you here, new participant with us. And dear colleagues, welcome here in session 3 of India Bangla Telecollaboration Program. See, about myself. Do you know I have given my information in previous session. Myself is Salim Chaudhary. After then, favorite time. My favorite time is reading early in the morning. Sakale Para in Bangladeshi language. After then, see, hobby. My hobby is swimming and gardening. See, you are
So nice, sir.
okay. You are seeing some photographs on screen. Yeah,
Yes,
Bachao sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Hobby is
Yes, sir.
gardening
Yeah.
Very
and
nice photographs.
swimming.
Yes.
Samatra. Swimming is called in Bengali, Bangladeshi language, Samatra. Okay.
Shatar.
Acha.
Sir, Shatar.
My favorite movie is
Fine.
Gadar. In Gadar, there is everyone know about the Gadar.
Yeah.
This is the one film which give the some different types of the, where is the different types of the rights and communal reasons. It will be try to solve with the help of the Gadar. And so I like this film, Gadar. After then, my favorite game is cricket, chess. And from last year, I am playing cricket with my wards here in my premises. After then, my favorite place to travel is the Kashmir. See here, this is the Shikara. Just Bachao sir told us he has visited Kashmir. Sir, it's my dream. It's my whole family's dream to visit to Kashmir and spend some time in Shikara. Just like you. Everyone's dream is to visit to Kashmir. Kashmir is the paradise of world. And so we'll be visit to Kashmir. My favorite book is Yayati. There are the different many books. I have my own library, but Yayati is my favorite book. It's written by Visa Khandekar, and in this book there are the 432 pages in Marathi edition. Near about 36 editions published of Yayati. And YP Kulkarni, Mr. YP Kulkarni is translated. That means he is parody of this book Yayati in English. Sir, my favorite dance is Bhangra, which is from Punjab's state's dance. My favorite dance is the Bhangra, and I would like to everyone to visit Nasik. I will be welcome to you in Nasik in Maharashtra. Bachao sir, Marathe sir, and
Yes,
all
yes.
my dear students who are attending our session, I am requesting you, whenever you will be come in Nasik, please visit to me, call me. I will be welcome you. Ma'am, Yasmin ma'am and Prepti ma'am, you also
Yes.
welcome our Maharashtra in Nasik. I am always ready to welcome you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. I take your invite. Okay.
Okay,
And
okay.
I will try to go visit India and your Maharashtra Nashik. Okay. You help
Definitely,
me.
I will.
Yeah.
All
I
are.
am waiting you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Now, Bachau sir, मी तुम्हाला host करतो. I am making host to Mr. Bachau. Wait.
Yes, sir. Marathi sir, do you want to share something about yourself?
Yes, sir.
मग डायरेक्ट करू का यांना गजानन मराठे सरांना करू का डायरेक्टली
Gajanan Marathi sir, do you want to share
Ha,
something
ha, ha. Sharing. Yes, yes. Something.
with the
I
help of
sharing
PPT?
PPT. Oh, yes, yes.
Make him host.
ओके 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 मेक हिम आई एम मेकिंग हिम होस्ट डायरेक्टली दैट मीन्स वी विल बी सेव आवर टाइम
Yeah, yeah.
ओके
Okay, you are host now, Marathi sir.
Yes.
5 minutes remain. After this end of this Zoom meeting, rejoin with the help of same link after 10 minutes. Okay.
Just minutes, sir.
Okay, okay.
या don't mind sir, it's a trial and error. We are
Yes.
going to learn something through this telecollaboration. We are going to prepare different types of the PPT. Suka and Shika. That's why we are going to do something innovative.
Sir, I have some technical problem. Nilofer ma'am will start it. Then I join it.
Okay. Nilofar ma'am, share your favorite type.
Sir, today I have no PPTs. Just
Okay, okay.
I'll
You can
say
share orally.
what is-
Orally share. Just
Yes.
within 2 minutes, you can tell us.
Yes, yes. Actually, my favorite hobby is reading. I
Your hobby?
all time try to, yes, reading. I try to all time read new many of books. It's a story. It's various type of books. Okay. My favorite game is also cricket and Scrabble. Do you know what is the playing is Scrabble? Do you know, sir?
No,
Sir, do
no,
you know what is the game of Scrabble? No?
no.
It is
No.
Crossword,
Scrabble game
crossword,
is a word making game.
crossword. Yeah.
Word making game. And my favorite movie is Bangladeshi Ora 11 Jon, means 11 person. This movie is our country base. Okay. And my favorite book is Shojan Badiar Ghat. It's written by our national poet Kazi Nazrul Islam. Do you know Kazi Nazrul Islam?
Yeah. Yeah.
She is the famous poet, and he is our national poet also.
Yeah.
This book was written by some
Unmute yourself.
Yes, this book was written by some fishermen lives. Okay, my favorite dance is Bhavaya. It's my country also, this Bhavaya. Next time I show a PPT, just Bhavaya dance. Okay, today is not, I can't. And my favorite place is Cox's Bazar, Rangamati. It is district of Chittagong in Bangladesh. Many people when visit our country, they visit these districts also. Okay, and my favorite place where I travel many times, this is Cox's Bazar. Okay, and this is all also. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, Marathi sir.
Yes.
Have you
Getting
solved
some
your problem?
Yes.
So in this
Can you
first
see it?
session,
Can you see?
Yeah, we don't want to continue. Continue, no? It's recording.
yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
No
Yes, sir.
poverty.
Yes, sir, yes.
So this is the first SDG. As yesterday we have learned that there are 17 SDGs, and this is the first one. No poverty, as the UNO has decided that by 2030, each and every country will be free from poverty. And here, yes, there are some pictures where 836 million people in the whole world are living in extreme poverty, below poverty level, the world. And most of these people are living in Asia and Africa, in our area. So this is also very serious one. Some solutions are also given there. Then these peoples, poor people, are totally dependent on natural resources, and that's why they have to live according to the their natural condition, the condition of nature. For example, sometimes in rainy season in India, because of lack of rain or a proper rain, there are so many farmers who commit suicide because they are totally dependent on natural resources. Then the third thing is environmental degradation, climate change, and disasters. So all these things directly affect these people, poor people. Some solutions are also suggested here by UNO. Next, what is poverty? So the word poverty comes from Old French word poverty. It means poor. It is the noun form of the word poor. Poor in Marathi, we say garib. And the poverty is word from the word poor. There are several definitions of poverty depending on the context of the situations in is placed in and the views of the person giving the definition. So there are various types of definitions of poverty, but all of you we know very well that the people who are unable to fulfill their primary needs.
म्हणजे स्टॉप लावताना माझं ओके झालं की माझा नंबर मला 2-3 वेळा अडचण
So
आली
those people who are unable
Huh?
to fulfill their primary needs, we can say they are poor. Food, shelter, and clothes. So they are not able to fulfill these primary needs. That's why we can call such persons as
Sir,
poor
hello.
people.
Bachchav sir,
Yes,
Bachchav sir,
yes, sir.
I try to join PPT and try to present the PPT.
Okay, after some time, let me complete this within 5 minutes. Then I will make you a
No.
host. Okay.
No, give me chance because my son is conducting it.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Say stop. Sharing stop. You make me host, sir.
Yeah, yeah. You are host now. Okay.
Yes. Are you watching, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Sir.
You can see
Yes, sir.
your screen now.
Now, welcome. At first, this is my introduction. Yesterday, I don't present the PPT. Now, the second, my family. There is my wife, who is headmistress in village, Chinchpura village. My daughter and son, who are both software engineers in Pune and Bombay. Do you listen everything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We continue. We continue.
This is my school cabin where the principal and all staffs are there, and education officer is also there. The next is my schools, the picture of my school and the ground. There is a program along with students. You know, I think that in November the birth date of former President Abdul Kalam.
Thank-
In those days, we celebrate the day, reading day or Vachan Prerna Divas. This was the program, and this is also extra curriculars. I representative of multiple events like some programs of social reformers. Then this is a occasion of opening ceremony, and I also like to tell you that this is the best program Nishta. I think that Salim Chaudhary sir also will attend
Yeah.
this program Nishta.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
yeah, this is best program, and Mahajan sir, who is joined in diet Jalgaon diet. He is a coordinator in Nishta program. Many primary teachers and high school teachers and head of the schools are joined there. And the next, my extracurricular is the picture is, and Nirupa ma'am also looking this, that the ex president of India, Miss Pratibha Patil. So,
Yes.
at I start my about favorite time. At first, today is Buddha Purnima, and we pay homage to Lord Gautam Buddha, who was born in Lumbini, Nepal. Then, at we congratulation of new lady person of Bangladesh, Unnasha ma'am, who is present in first time. The very nice presenting of favorite time or hobby, and the ma'am present all pictures and giving the speech about the pictures, very nice, I like. Then Bacham sir and Chaudhary sir also present through the PPT about the session or the topic, my favorite hobby. I like Bacham sir also present all pictures and give the detailed reference about the pictures and hobbies. So this is the, I think that there is friendship. Just ma'am, Nirupa ma'am also says that, and both there are two flags of India and Bangladesh. So the relationship is will be concrete through the collaboration, daily collaboration or this program. And I think that India and Bangladesh, the friendship to friendship, thoughts to thoughts, and culture to cultures, human to human. It is the bounded. In this way, I say about my favorite hobby. According to human psychology, which time gives the pleasure, which time gives the pleasure, glad, and satisfaction is called favorite time. Things, particular moment, or particular reaction which give pleasure to you and you do it repeat and repeat is called hobby according to human psychology. My favorite hobby is cutting newspaper, and I do an important thing through the hobby. Now you are looking the picture in PPT, with the president of India. What I do that when the first lady president of India, Miss Pratibha Patil, whose native place is Jalgaon district, so we become very happy and decided what can do. So I decided that to collect the cutting newspapers nearby. The president should be work in India nearby 5 years. So she became the president. I decided to cutting the newspaper of the news of president. So I choose a particular newspaper. Lokmat, ma'am. Lokmat is also news channel in India, in Marathi and other languages. And in Maharashtra, it is the toppest newspaper, Lokmat, in Maharashtra. So I decided to cut the all pictures, all news of president, and I collect nearby 5 years of the news of the photos, and it filed all wrappers of all cuttings collected in a particular newspaper, not other newspaper, but only one particular newspaper. It is called Lokmat newspaper, and do a file, and decided to visit the President of India and present as a gift, to give the gift to her. And that day come when the President was came was come in Jalgaon. I told the newspaper that I show the all collection, and the editor of the newspaper, the editor um, joined both the press man, and I also take the appointment of the president and uh, present all the files and give as a gift. She became very happy. So this photo on PPT shows it. So my favorite thing that to collect the newspapers, and also collecting of cutting notes or written notes or thoughts of social reformer, educational reformer. So I have some files of cutting newspaper. Then, you know, nearby 80 or between duration 1980 to 1990, there was a conflict or war between Iraq and America. It is called Gulf Crisis. So in that period, I was studying in college. I read the newspaper and saw all pictures of Gulf Crisis. So in those days, I also cutting all pictures of Gulf Crisis and made a file of particular Gulf Crisis. So there was a war between Iraq and Iran. All news, all pictures collected, and then the next. This is also the news in newspaper, and the next is it is a particular program. I was also like to there was some program on broadcasting, Jalgaon broadcasting program. I was also present some speech on Sirish Kumar. My speech was about Sirish Kumar. Nirupam ma'am, do you listen? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
the-
sir.
there is a picture, Hutatma. There is a picture, another picture. There are two pictures. The first picture is of me, and another picture, the story of Sirish Kumar. So I tried to tell you that he was very small boy, and there was the power, the India or the Hindustan, there was under the power of British power. In that time, these schools boys are Hutatma Shirish Kumar and his friends, who were very small, who were school boys, school students, and they decided to to told to British power that you should go, you should quit India, and they came from the school, they came on the road and visited, and they went to police chowki of British, and they protest there, but they were all small boys and all small students, nearby fifth or sixth students, and others peoples, elder sisters or elder women, men, all were watching what are doing these small boys, but they don't afraid to the British power, and they went to police chowki and they protest and they said we should flag, Indian flag, and you remove your flag. But the British people don't listen to them, and the British people or British power, the British power told the British power told to them that you quit this place, but they don't listen, and in that time the British power shot to them, and nearby 5 or 6
Okay.
small
Marathi
students
sir.
were killed there. So it is like this, and the another I help 5,000 rupees a poor student who whose innovation of cycle is chosen in a national level. So I try to help to them, and other photos. So I am also I like poem composing and listening music, particularly yoga and exercise. You know, watching movies and some serials channels like Maharashtrachi Hashya Jatra. It is a very nice program in Maharashtra. In Maharashtra.
Proportion of the population living below the international poverty line by sex, age, employment status, and geographic location, urban, rural. So why forget such types of people? And by 2030, reduced at least by half the proportion of men and women and children of all ages. So this is also very important. Men, women, and children of all sex, age, and caste, religion, living in poverty in all its dimension according to the national definition. So it is a helping hand of to them, and trying to end poverty by 2030. Proportion of population living below the national poverty line. Proportion of men, women, and children of all age living poverty in all its dimension according to national definition. See, these are two pictures. No poverty, and by 2030, 167 million children will live in extreme poverty. So this is the guessing. If the world doesn't take action to improve health and education. So this is a danger. If we don't give attention to this problem of poverty, so within 10 years, 167 million children will become extreme poverty. So actions must be taken. So there must be a balance between poor and rich people. Here are some information. Why is there so much poverty in the world? The reasons are given here. I am not poor. Why should I care about other people's economic situation? So this is the attitude. This is the attitude of the people who are not poor. If I am not poor, so why should I give attention to the poor and needy people? So this is very dangerous attitude, and we have to change this attitude. Can we actually achieve this goal? So this is a very big question. Can we achieve this goal of removing poverty by 2030? What do you think, Niloofar ma'am? Can we end poverty by 2030?
Maybe not, sir.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Yeah. So practically we say, no, it is not possible within 10 minutes. there is so big goal, but we will try our level best. And mostly in Asia and Africa, there are so many poor people. So what can I do about it if you are a young person? So this is what I can do as a person, as a human being, to remove poverty from the world. What can I do? Think over it. If you are a policy member, if you work in the private sector, so what you can do to end poverty from the world?
Bachav sir, I think that particular a man or human can't to the end of poverty, but there is a policy of government or the policy of global.
Yeah.
Should be
Here,
end.
yes, next there is the topic, what are the policies of government? But as in Marathi we say, खारीचा वाटा उचलणे.
Yes,
There is
yes,
a
yes.
famous saying in Marathi, खारीचा वाटा उचलणे. We can do something. As far
Yes,
as
yes,
possible in
in
our atmosphere, in our environment, we can do something
yes.
for the poor and needy people. So
Yes,
here
yes.
are also some indicators of poverty. What is poverty? Poverty is a hunger, lack of shelter, so many things. And these are
Yes.
included in poverty. See, this is the graph. Countries where poverty head counters are likely to rise, and especially in COVID-19 situation. And we are on the top, India. And see the condition of Bangladesh also. We are on the top.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And Bangladesh is on the fourth. As far
Yes.
as India and Bangladesh is concerned. So in both countries, so many people are living below the poverty level. So this is a very serious problem. And poverty is, I think, is the problem where all the problems rise. This is very important one. So these are some steps to reduce poverty by Indian government. This is very shocking, Chaudhary sir and Nilupar ma'am. This is very shocking. When I search
Yes.
what international institutions do to remove poverty from your country, there is nothing. In the search, I found nothing. So this is very shocking. The countries from all over the world, especially the developed countries, they are not doing so much. So it is our responsibility of each and every country who are poor to find their own ways. It is the responsibility of the people who are living there. How I can help my nation to remove poverty from my country. So this is the only solution. These are some steps taken by the government. There are so many policies, programs, but as we know how the program or policies reach to the end of the poor people. So most of the policies fail and they can't reach to the poor and needy people. This is one of the policy, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, started in 2005. So many, see, these are some organizations, poverty alleviation programs by Indian government, and all these institutions are NGO, non-government organization. This is very shocking. When I searched, I found that only NGOs of that country are working to remove the poverty. So we must try ourselves to remove the poverty from our own country. Thank you very much for watching me so carefully. And now, Chaudhary sir, do you want to say?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You have
Chaudhary sir, you are host now.
You give some new. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
can you
It's
understand
visible.
Hindi? Can you understand Hindi? Some words Hindi?
Yes, no problem.
Hello. Hindi. Are you
Yes,
understand
sir.
some
Yes.
words of Hindi?
Yes. Yes, I
समझ
understand.
सकती
Hindi.
हैं आप?
Yes,
Hindi.
I
Okay.
समझ सकती है, but not tell. But I understand.
Okay, not talking. Okay, no problem. अच्छा गणेश बच्चाओ sir. Okay, thank you. Marathi sir.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am and all dear students, you are welcome here in the session, third session, no poverty. Actually, Mr. Bachau sir told us many things about poverty. He had prepared very nicely PPT. He described everything which is given in our brochure. And actually, he has searched on website yesterday. I have also searched on website, and that time I found, sir, very shockingly, here and there, everywhere, we can say, dear student, can you understand? Here and there, everywhere, see the poverty. यहाँ वहां जहां भी देखेंगे वहां गरीबी दिखाई दे रही है. Here and where there we can see the poverty. इथं जिथं सगळीकडे आपल्याला गरिबी दिसते. And this poverty word in Bangladeshi we can see दारिद्र्यनी. म्हणजे दारिद्र्यनी. दारिद्र्यनी. That means in pronunciation we can, I will commit some mistake, but I am getting some knowledge with the help because of you, because you are joined here. I can talk with Mr. Bachau sir, Garibi. I can talk with Marathi sir or my dear students who are with me. I can say in with them in my mother tongue. They can try to understand, but I also trying to. You also try to. I am trying to easy to understand you. That's why I am going to search some words in Bangladeshi, just like the no poverty is the darindri. And we are going to see these types of words. See, no poverty. Here are, if we see properly to this picture, sir, here is the one male, one female, that means the couple, and there is in their center, there is a one child. After then, this concept is, especially this concept is small families concept. Where there is a small family, the family will be happy, there will be no poverty. This is the specific one concept. After then see, this picture shows us what is the condition in the world. Just you have told in South Africa, in Asia, there are some countries. The poverty is occupied not only one country, it is occupied to whole society and whole world. This picture is the one symbol of it. See, here is the one picture. Condition in the poverty. That means the darindra mein avastha. What is the condition of the poverty? These peoples, these all poor people are waiting, maybe food, maybe some labor work, maybe some protection, maybe some shelter, maybe some clothes. This picture, whenever we will, जिथं न पोचे कवी तिथं पोचे, जिथं न पोचे रवी तिथं पोचे कवी. That means we see this picture, everyone's mind is thinking about what they are searching, what they are looking, what they are looking. See, their eyes shows us they are searching something. Maybe little children, they are searching food. These elder people, they are searching labor, and this is the condition in all over world. Dear friends, I will not take you more time. What is the proper poverty? Here are the certain concepts. These concepts, Mr. Bachau sir already told you. I have also prepared this PPT, but I will not take your time. Only I will say poverty is the hunger. Poverty is the hunger. After then, objectives. And this objectives is called as a uddesha. See, what are the objectives? Marathe sir and Bachau sir and Ismi ma'am, these objectives I have from this our brochure. Objective generally to write in the form of the starting in the form of the 2, and so to reduce all poverty by half, to implement social protection systems, to ensure equal rights to ownership. Each and every person wants his ownership, basic services, technology, and economic resources. After then, one objective is to build up is resilience to environmental, economic, and social disaster. Targets. What are the Lakshya? See, by 2030, eradicate extreme poverty for all people everywhere. Here is the one eradicate. Everyone have a problem. What is the meaning of eradicate? Eradicate means to resolve, to remove, to delete. That means by 2030, also want to eradicate, to reduce this poverty for all people everywhere. Means United Nations Organization. Reduce at least by half the proportion of men. If not a whole society, not whole people everywhere, to reduce at least up by half the proportion of men, women, and children of all ages living in the poverty. After they implement nationally appropriate social protection systems and measures for all. Here one, Bachau sir already explained it. We have consumed a lot of time. That's why I will not read it. Only I will show the different types of the PPTs I have prepared. Indicators, already Bachau sir explained this. And this indicators is called Suchak in Bangladeshi. I have got some vocabulary through this session. These are the indicators. See, here is the one picture I would like to explain here. Here is the graph. And this graph shows us in 1990, the proportion of people living below dollars per day, 1.90 a day. After then, their ratio is looking here different types of way. Now, see, Bangladesh currency is the taka, and Bangladesh currency is taka is converting in it 84.81. That means this is the $1. Dear friends, I would like to say you one information. Just a dollar. How many rupees for $1? Approx 72 rupees, 79 rupees, approx 72 $1. In this way, here is the taka is the currency of Bangladesh, and $1 is equal to 84.81 taka. That means their valuation is less than India takas. Here is this graph shows us different types of the percentage. See, before I want to tell one thing about this picture. See, this girl in this picture, in this PPT, how looking innocently, very innocent. And these innocent people, these innocent children, this is not only one innocent child, this is the symbol of the whole society, whole world. This innocent child is the symbol of the whole. This innocent child is the symbol of the whole world. And so we want to reduce this poverty. Just Bachau sir said, everyone should take some participation to reduce the poverty. खारीचा वाटा प्रत्येकाने उचलला पाहिजे. Sir, I would like to say you one thing more than that. In Bangladesh also, and in our India also, in Muslim community, in Ramzan Eid, there is a one system. The people who are rich, they can give some part of their wealth in the form of zakat. In the form of zakat 2%. What is its intention? Its intention is the poor people who are below the poverty level, they should be appraised. They should be appraised. And so in Muslim community, there is a one system on the occasion of the Ramzan. This community gives the zakat 2% of their profit of the year. This is also one step to reduce the poverty in this community. Now we'll go.
Excuse me, sir.
Indian
Chaudhary sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine thing you have told that we give zakat. How
Yeah.
do you give it zakat to directly to the poor or needy people or any other mode?
Yes, sir. We are giving, it is some criteria in community. What is the community's criteria? It's the criteria is give 2% of the profit, annual profit of 2% to your firstly relatives who are the poor, needy. After then, if your relatives are finding not anyone relatives, you can give it to your neighborhood. If there is not anyone in area of your house near you, after then it give to the needy people who have a really need, and they will be become to give the zakat to others. This is the system, and every year we are giving this system. This system is going on continuously, sir. Okay.
It's our Muslim community system. It's a great system
Yeah.
to reduce poverty.
I want to say that directly help to the poor or needy people. That's better.
Yeah, directly poor or needy people.
We give our help to some institution, and if they are not helping them, then it is useless.
Yeah, sir. It's one example in our Nasik. Can I? We have time.
Yeah, just explain in 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, just in our Nasik, there is our organization, Zakat Foundation, just in Delhi. In this way, in Nasik also there is a one foundation, and this foundation collect the money of in form of the zakat, and they give the students who are really poor. They paid their fees in the engineering college, medical college, pharmacy college. This is going on continue since 10 years in Nasik. We are going to do this way. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And in this way, here is the different types of the 10 minutes remain. Na? Okay. See, here is the organization helping in reducing poverty. I have tried to find national local organizations. I got only one local organization in Nasik, that is called as a Darpan. Last Darpan local organization, but he is not trying to reducing poverty, which is everyone's view. They are trying, but not in more form of the helping. After then, I have tried to search out some national organizations who are trying to reducing poverty. Udan Foundation, Akanksha Foundation, Care India Foundation, they are trying to reduce the poverty, but not in large scale. International level, Oxfam International, this is the international organization. End of Poverty Now, EPN, this is also trying to reduce the poverty, but not in large scale. Concern Worldwide, this is also one organization, but they are not trying to reduce the poverty in large scale. Okay, thank you, sir.
Niloofar ma'am, do you want to share something?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have no PPT, but just I want to say
Without
something.
PPT, you
Okay?
can share your thoughts.
Only for I share your thoughts. Actually, Bangladesh, after when it's so poor, but nowadays our government takes some initiatives, and we are grown up in developed country. So Bangladesh has made remarkable progress in reducing poverty, supported by sustainable economic growth based on the international poverty line of 1.990% per day. Poverty declined from 44.2% in 1991 to 13.8% in 2016 and 2017 years. In parallel, life expectancy, literacy rate, and per capita food production have increased significantly. Progress was underpinned by 6% plus growth over the decade and reaching to 7.3% in 2016 and 2017. According to official estimate, rapid growth enabled Bangladesh to reach the lower middle income country status in 215. In 218, Bangladesh met the eligible criteria for graduation from the United Nations Least Developed Countries, LDC, and is on track to graduate in 2024. Sustained economic growth has increased the demand for energy and transport, and support urbanization. Insufficient planning and investment have resulted in increased living. Severe infrastructure bottlenecks. To achieve its growth aspiration of becoming and upper middle income country by 15th anniversary in 2021. The country needs to urgently implement structural reforms, expand investment in human capital, increase female labor force participation, and raise productivity through increased global value chain integration, improving infrastructure, as well as the business climate would allow new productive sector to develop and generate jobs. Actually, sir, me want to say which partner are working reduce our country. Bangladesh has a NGO, Grameen Bank. Do you know, sir, Grameen Bank?
Yeah.
Do you know this? No,
India-
Rural
it gets
bank,
the
rural-
Nobel Prize.
Rural bank,
It gets Nobel-
rural bank.
Yeah, rural bank. Yes, this bank was work in field level and rural level, poor person who has no
Resources.
no taka, no money. Okay, yeah, zero money. People also get some loan and they do this work. Okay. So Dr. Muhammad Yunus, he is the great man and he gets the Nobel Prize. And another our outside country is IDA, collaborates closely with Australia, Denmark, the European Union, Germany, Japan and Netherlands, Sweden, Switzerland, United Kingdom, United States, as well as multilaterals such as the Asian Development Bank and UN agencies. Harmonized joint funding includes large health and education sector programs and multi-donor trust funds. The extending public expenditure management program MDTF is supporting the implementation of the next phase of the public financial management strategy 216 to 221. This includes supports to the modernization of core business processes rolled out of the integrated budget and accounting systems, and the adoption of the new budgets and accounts classification systems. In this phase of the MDTF, financing is provided by 3 development partners: Department for International Development, United Kingdom, Global Affairs Canada of European Union. Discussing are underway for several development partners to provide parallel financing to support Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Primary and Mass Education to improve services delivery to strengthen fiduciary system. Under a single donor trust fund arrangement of USAID for agency for international development provided support to the health sector through the end of the December 2017 and continues to support the National Agriculture Technology Program. So, building of Bangladesh remarkable achievements to date in reducing income poverty, improving health outcomes and educational attainment, empowering girls and women, and building the beginnings of a labor-intensive export-oriented economy that can support further gains in the near future. The World Bank will continue to work with the dynamic and resilient country to reduce poverty and bring prosperity to all Bangladesh, especially the poor. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Just 1 minute remain. Today we have 4th session at 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Are you ready, everybody? Chaudhary sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Marathi sir?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Okay,
So
sir.
at 4 o'clock Indian time and 4:30 Bangladesh time. So
Okay.
at the end of this 3rd session, we will sum up that in this session we discuss first about our favorite time. How do we talk about our favorite time, favorite movie, favorite place, favorite dance, and so many our personal things we share with one another. And in the second session, we discuss about no poverty, its targets, indicators, figures, of our country and figures of the whole world, everything. Then
Yes.
we have also discussed some yojanas or some things our country is trying to remove poverty from our area. So let us sum up this session and see you at 4 o'clock in Indian time and 4:30 Bangladesh time for in the fourth session. Sejal Preksha, see
Okay,
you at 4 o'clock. Okay. Thank you very much for
Okay, sir.
joining this
Thank you very
session.
much.